sure that the RV tires are nice and full before we get on the road. They look like they're a little squishy, but then so am I. Yeah, squishy. Should be up to about 65 and I'm at 40. That's no good. It's my job to put the air in the tires, and they're pretty low. My air compressor is really slow, especially with tires this big. So I kind of have to sit here and monitor the situation rather than put things in and out of the RV. So somehow this seems to have worked out pretty well for me. Again, what can I say? You doing all right back there? I told her she could do it. She said no. She's a fool.
My beefy man putting away the heavy bikes. That doesn't go well with my beefy man comment I just made.
There's my mom's. She's not coming with us. She's staying here.
Creepy woman.
Creepy old lady. True story.
Oh, it's so bad. It's so bad.
Yeah, we're just driving past a major landfill here in our area. Well, thankfully not our area.
Yeah.
Well south of our area.
Stinkville.
Oh, it's like driving into a dirty diaper.
Oh, God.
We don't even have the windows down.
It's so bad.
Well, here we are at Harbortown RV Park. We've never been to this particular RV park. We're looking forward to seeing how it goes. However, we were a little more excited a few days ago when it was 85, 87, even 88 degrees, because this was going to be the weekend that they opened their pool. However, now it's 62 degrees and is going to be 62 degrees for the next few days. You know, in the low 60s. And windy and off and on rain. So yeah, we timed this perfectly. We have a gift. Yeah, there's a sign right there in the door. Pool now open. Looking forward to that. Might be some shrinkage. We'll take in everything that this place has to offer, and then we'll give you our bona fide opinion, because that matters so much. Because, you know, we are smart. So what comes from our brains is good to know. Park the RV. Go to put down the stabilizer jacks. One set works. The other set will not go down. If you press the extend, nothing happens. You press the retract, it clicks and starts making noises. We just took this back from the dealership. We had it in there for the electrical problem, and now the freaking stabilizer jacks won't go down. We just took it from them. They worked before. They don't work now. I have about had it. I mean, seriously. And now we're out of warranty, and suddenly these things don't work. RV living may not be for us. At least the hand crank works, and it's filthy. It's never been used before, and it's filthy. Well, this will be going back into the dealership.
Again.
Oh, hold on. Hey, can you drop it off on Monday morning?
I guess so.
Yeah, we'll bring it in Monday morning. Yeah, you guys all should have it now.
Hey, yo!
What?
What do you want to do?
I want to learn a screwdriver is.
Wow. Is it that bad that we have to turn ourselves to drink?
How about the alcohol-free wine?
Did you remember to bring it?
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay.
2 bottles.
Ooh,
All for
you'll be
me.
hitting it hard.
Double fisting.
Oh.
Wait. Can we edit that part out? That didn't look like I meant it to look.
Okay, I wanted to give a quick tutorial on the proper way to build a campfire. As you can see, we've got some wood set up over there, and there are many different ways in which you can get a fire started. You can use the spark method, where you take 2 rocks and you clack them together, or you can take a piece of wood like this, where you've got some tinder, you've got that on there, and then what you're going to do is you're going to take a dowel and you're going to set it on there, and you're going to rub it really fast so that you can get the fire started and get some smoke going, get some flames going, and you're going to set that in the fire, and then you're going to blow on it. Or you can say the hell with that and use one of these and one of these. Let's do it. Or when that doesn't work the way you would like, you get lucky enough to have a neighbor with a blowtorch. Yeah.
Burn, baby, burn!
Trying to cook my wieners, and every time the wind kicks up it blows ash, and I get ashy wieners. No one wants an ashy wiener. I've come to the realization that no matter what I try to do to my hair out here, I continue to look insane.
Hi!
Chili?
I'm freezing, but I'm eating hot dogs by the fire.
S'more time.
Just so you know, don't try the gluten-free graham crackers. They're yucky.
Extra gluten. Delicious. Not sure what happened to this one. Something terrible. Something so terrible. Gluten! Gluten! Oh.
What you gonna do?
Now, this was the second night that we've used the new mattress, and I gotta say, I think it's gonna work out. It's pretty comfortable. Yeah, pretty comfortable. There was still a lot of waking up, though, but I think that had a little more to do with the furnace being on a little high, and somebody taking up more than her allotted 20% of the mattress. I tell you, some people just don't know how to share.
Hey, I was snuggling.
You get 20%.
20%.
That's just for me, so that I can spread and take it in, take it all in.
Your arm's heavy.
Everything on me is heavy, especially my thoughts, because I'm a big thinker. What was I saying?
Heavy.
This is sort of an extension of the original review I did of the product, because I didn't get a chance to make breakfast, which is one of my favorite meals ever since I was a kid. So now I'm cooking up some sausage, then make some omelets and some eggs, and see how this sucker does. So far so good. Oh, the lighter, how it didn't light that one time, that first time, apparently it was just, an anomaly. This time it just went right up. So far so good. Yeah, not too bad.
making me an omelet.
Yeah, and I want to stress the importance of making sure that your grill is level before you pour the eggs on. Otherwise, you get this. And you gotta keep the egg from rolling into the slots. Yeah. These eggs were a little easier to control upon distribution.
Time for the whoop-toos. Show me how it's done.
My wife is cracking up because my golf game has been a little weak. She's right there on the edge and I seem to be in the rough. Shelly's on the 14th hole. She's looking at a par 75. The goal here is to make the ball go airborne. And she's off. Oh, and well,
And it's back.
yeah, and it's back on the green. If you ever come to the Harbortown RV Park and then go next door to the mini golf, stay away from the blue slushies. Just stay away. So very close. So very, very close.
Nice.
Based on my skill so far, it's not too good.
I'm ready, are you?
Were you recording that? Oh, that would have been awesome.
2:45. And the winner is me!
Oh, you beat me.
Even with your hole in one.
Even with. So Shelly's going on the go-karts, but there's nobody else going right now. She's gonna have the track all to herself. That's awesome. I would do it, but they would need to get a winch to pull me back out of the go-kart, and that's expensive. It's very expensive. I think she's trying to spin out. She takes those turns super hard. It's fun watching her have so much fun. It's a lot of fun.
I don't know what I did, but it just keeps spewing tickets.
She hit the jackpot.
Oh, it's done.
It was a mess.
That's mine. That's how this comes out. What the heck?
Honey, they have a game just for you.
What's that?
Pull my finger. We're gonna go cash in our.
For a Jolly Rancher.
Yeah. But maybe maybe I can get an eraser.
can turn it in for pizza. Let me turn this out. Ready? I can't get it to blow up. Parts are funny.
It is incredibly windy and there is rain coming. So what do? Well, you look for ways to amuse yourself. Like so. This has been going on for 10 minutes. Well, the rain passed. The sun was trying to peek through a little bit. It's dinner time, so I'm out here grilling some burgers. And hopefully it'll stay dry for the rest of the evening. It's really still quite chilly. It's only like 55 degrees. Tomorrow it's supposed to be a little bit warmer, but rainy the whole day. Fun. It always seems to be raining when we pack up to go. Should I take that personally? So how's it going?
Alright. Getting ready to head out. That was my foot.
Yeah, I saw. Yeah,
It's raining,
it's raining.
so I'm just sort of taking my time.
It's very rainy, so what's the word? Procrastinating? I mean, I've never been much of a procrastinator in my life.
Right.
All right, maybe a little here and there. Okay, I have a doctorate. But it's rainy out. I didn't bring a raincoat. We just gotta go out and we gotta dump all the tanks. Poop. And then we just gotta hitch and go. But man, it's gonna rain the whole day. So we have no choice but to do it in the rain. Which ordinarily, I'm good with just giving her a poncho and jumping in the truck. But that's when the rain is a surprise. The rain's not a surprise this time, so there's no way I'm getting out of this. Am I? Fair enough. I guess we better get to it.
Hi, cutie.
I'm ready for stuff.
You're pretty cute in that.
It's choking me to death.
Oh, a little bit of though.
Yeah, I survived.
Okay.
It'll be fun when we're driving home. The rain has abated for the time being, so here's hoping it gives us enough time to do the nasty. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready to do the nasty? Okay, I might be weird, but when I drive, I like to see the road. I don't know what's in front of me right now. Ordinarily, I would be having a complete, full-on panic attack, but what am I gonna do? Holy crap!
What's going on?
Well, we decided to drop the RV off at the dealership so that they can look at the stabilizer jack issue first thing in the morning, and it's pouring rain. It didn't start pouring rain again until we got here, actually, and I'm looking at the weather app, and a second ago it showed that the rain had passed, but now it shows that the rain is exactly where we are.
Awesome.
We were here, good. Here, good. Here,
Not so much.
no, we get this. We're in the thumb of the weather fist.
The weather fist.
Well, it kind of looks like a hand. Almost looks like it's going, I'm angry at you. It also looks at the like a little like the UP also. There's a gap in the rain. So we're unhitching. We're getting it done. I can't show my wife. She told me I wasn't allowed to. She says not until she has a shower. She says that she looks, what'd you say?
Like a scum.
Like a scum. She says she looks like a scum and she doesn't want to be shown looking like a scum. Not scum, but a scum, a specific scum. She's nuts. Part of why I love her. Hey guys, we've been back from our camping trip for a few days now, but it occurred to me that I promised a review of the RV park and I did not deliver. So here I am, here to button up the video. Harbortown RV Resort. Very nice place. We enjoyed our time there. It's a nice park. It's a good park for families, definitely. There's a lot of things to do. They've got a big heated pool. They've got a clubhouse. They've got a well-stocked store with all the things that you could possibly need. Right next door there is an activity center with an arcade, miniature golf, batting cages. You saw my wife buzzing around the track on the go-karts. A lot of fun, a lot of things to do. The facilities are clean. They're very well kept. The full hookups are nice. If you get the premium spot, it includes cable TV, which was nice. We didn't have a cable, but they sell them in the store. All in all, a lot of things to do there, provided the weather cooperates, which it didn't entirely do for us. But later in the summer, when the sun is out, when the temperature's warmer and it's not raining, I think that people would have a very good time there. I talked to my wife about it, and we decided that we are going to give Harbortown RV Resort 4 out of 5 grilled cheeses. That's a solid rating. And I also want to take a moment to give a shout out to Brandon from Canada, who was in the spot next door to us. He's the one who loaned me his blowtorch for the campfire, along with some zip ties and his useful knowledge, which I was very, very appreciative for. So thank you very much. And also thank you for watching our videos, because it's crazy that you're watching our videos, because we're just silly people, and you guys are nice enough to watch our videos. So thank you very much for that. If you do like the videos, give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more of them, please be sure to subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, just drop them down below and we'll try to get back to you as best we can. That's it for now. Until next time, be good.